You sound like a bitch.
Shut the fuck up.
Your fans become your haters.
You done?
Weird's weird.
All right.
Yelling at the mic. Weird.
Doing this once.
Weird. Why you yelling at the mic?
Rihanna just hit me on a text.
Hey
Last
guys,
night I left hickeys on the neck. Wait, you just
currently
dissed me on
outside
Perplexed,
right now.
insult me in a line, compliment me on the next. Damn, I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Was watching 8
Just wanna
Mile
say
on an
hi
auto
and
track. Realized
everything.
I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on a starter cap. Stand,
Fuck,
stand,
yeah, I was
son,
gonna say.
listen, man, dad isn't mad, but how you gonna name yourself after a damn gun and have a
I'll be
man
uploading at least 3 or 4 videos tonight, montages and stuff.
Say you got me in a scope, but you
So,
praise me. I say one call it in a scope,
be on
and
look
you
for that,
crazy.
and
You're
I
a cry
appreciate
at the
all
crowd yelling, "Move,"
the
so before
support
you
and
die, let's see who
everything.
can out petty who with your corny lines. Let me roll
Keep
out,
on
yelling, "Ooh," but
viewing
I'm
my
45
stuff and
I'm still
please stuff.
outselling
That's
you.
it.
By 29, I had 3 albums
Hey
in the
guys.
Now let's talk about something I don't really do. Go in someone's daughter's mouth stealing food, but you're a
I don't
fucking
really wanna know
Oreo.
what
Now
to
I'ma make a
say,
mountain
but
out of you.
I was
Chill, acting like you put the
thinking,
chrome down to my bone marrow.
whatever you want me
You
to
ain't a
do,
pro and now say you're running
any
for me
Call of
like a
Duty
phone
down,
bill spraying
I
lead.
will make a
You ain't
video
dead, that's
if
the
you
only time you hold
suggest it.
still. Are you eating
And
cereal?
I possibly
or
end
oatmeal?
up getting the
What
new
fuck's
Call
in
of
the bowl,
Duty if
milk?
it has
Wheaties or
bots.
Cheerios? Cause I'm taking a shit in them
And I'll
Caliani
make a
reading
lot of
material.
content on that whenever I get
Yo,
it, if
Slim,
it has
your last
bots.
4 albums suck. Go back to
But
recovery. Oh,
I
shoot,
appreciate
that was 3
guys
albums ago.
viewing
What do you know?
and
Oops.
liking
Know your facts before you come at me, little
and
goof.
everything like
Must be,
that.
oh, you broke bitch, yeah.
So,
I had enough money and
I will
too
keep
to
making
burn it in front of you,
videos,
ho.
5
Younger me,
plus
no,
a day,
you whack
I
me. It's
promise
funny, but
you,
so
as long as
true.
I live.
I'd rather be 80-year-old me
Well,
than 20-year-old you.
This is just no vlog
Till I'm
video.
getting old age, still can fill a whole
Yes,
page with a 10-year-old
this is
rage.
my
Got more fans than
vlog.
you in your own city,
Vlogging
little
that
kitty,
I always
go
wear if
play.
you
Feel like
haven't
I'm
noticed it.
babysitting long
So,
take. Got the ditty okay, so you
Yo,
send your whole
clearing
page.
that.
both shots, that's all I need is both shots. Pull the trigger, blah, 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 you'll drop. Can't stop, my PR is too hot. Spend way too much time in the octagon. Ready for battle, my battle rifle steady. Banging days around corners, leaving my enemies regenerating your shields. Sealing kills, long range. Doubles and triples all day. Bungie oasis and stakes. Should we quit out? They say nah, just finish the game. So I can add some running riots to my case. Perfection, the announcer announces. Team says, Bryce, your skills are astounding. How do you do it, man? What is the secret? You know the AR, you get it spawned, never keep it. Always exchange it for a BR. You never need another weapon, just both shots. You'll be a boss. You'll be a boss. Nobody will give you any trouble at all. Cause you're a boss with the BR. Send them to the ER. Battle rifle in your hands, they will understand you're a boss. You'll be a boss. Nobody will give you any trouble at all. Cause you're a boss with the BR. Send them to the ER. Battle rifle in your hands, they will understand you're a boss with the BR.
Cause he knows long as I'm shady, he's gonna have to live in my